nice specimen. One we won't crush up probably. I'm going to put it in, made up one of these things. You can buy that little bull bear. And what you do is shake it. I won't annoy you with that, but when it comes out I'll show you the result of it. They're pretty simple to make up. So that's inside that shaker bottle. Little ball bearings, steel ball bearings in different shapes and sizes. And that's what cleans up your gold. So I've been shaking that for a few minutes. I've just gone and washed out all the detergent stuff. Let's get out the nugget if I can, or the specimen, and show you how it's come up. So what I'd probably do with this specimen is I'll put it in like an acid of some sort and just get all that staining off it, and it's going to look really pretty. You can see how good the gold looks though.